Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a video of my husband installing a blind on our veranda. So we have a grand plan with the veranda. We're going to sand back all this ugly color and paint it and make it look wonderful. But with 10 kids, things sometimes take a lot of time. So this is kind of like a beginning of the change video. We decided to install this blind because we get a lot of afternoon sun slamming into the window for our lounge room and it gets really hot in there. So we've already noticed a massive decrease in the amount of heat that we feel in the room in the afternoon, which is fantastic. And yeah, we bought this blind from Bunnings. I can insert some details and we're planning on doing a lot more blinds along the veranda. But for starters, we got the one because we wanted to see if it was actually worth it or not. And so far, it's been pretty good. It's an affordable option for, you know, blocking out the sun, and it doesn't look so bad. So I hope you enjoy my video, and please subscribe. I'd love to have you stick around. All right, take care. Bye.